Morning, everyone. Yudia from Epson South Africa is joining us at our event at the SMBA today. And we thought to just discuss what's happening in the printer world and the copier, especially around schools and businesses, organizations that are still using paper, but cost effective. And actually the quality is incredible. But I will hand it over for the expert to talk. I'm not the expert.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me. So yes, I'm from Epson South Africa, and we're extremely proud to be part of this event. Education is one of our key focus areas. We really focus on the future of the country, of the world, and our leaders. And we want to ensure that we can help give them the best chance at having a good quality education. From an Epson perspective, and specifically from a print perspective, we've moved away from laser technology. So we focus purely on inkjet technology. And the reason for that is we've got less moving parts in our devices. So no fuser units, no drum units, no transfer units, and we don't have to worry about technicians having to go and do
That's amazing.
all the time. Yeah. So, I mean, we're really proud that we have minimal service intervention on our devices. And because we've got less moving parts, the running costs on the machines are very, very competitive. And we find more and more that customers really enjoy the low cost per copy that we have on our devices, and the entire total cost of ownership, which is very, very attractive. But having said that, we've got the print devices for education. We're also very big in the projector arena, everything from data projectors to interactive projectors. And Epson is also focusing on what we call projection laser technology. And this prevents you, or there's no need for you to replace lamp bulbs. So in an environment, if the device is spec correctly for the number of hours that you're going to use the device, it's almost a fit and forget type of installation. So no need to build scaffolding and remove the projector and take it for servicing, so on and so on.
That's amazing.
So very, very excited about that. We're also getting very much involved with wide format printing in the school space. And it's twofold. One is we can do the posters for classroom environment, and you can do that on the fly. So you don't have to send this to a print house and wait for 2 weeks lead time and all of these things. If there's anything that needs to be printed for the classroom environment, you can print that in-house. And secondly is, if you look at curriculum around technical drawings, also the students need to print all of their stuff, and you can do this in-house as well. Now, we've taken the same bottle ink technology that we got in the EcoTank devices, and we brought that into wide format machines as well. So you can then have very cost-effective large format printing up to A1 specifically, sorry. And this is something also that we see a lot of traction coming now in the education space.
That's amazing. So that's Epson. And so if you're watching this and you want to learn more, give us a shout. Thank you for your time and being here with us. I think schools are very close to all of our hearts, especially in the economy where we need to help them achieve 100%. The best at the best value as well. So thank you, and give us a shout somewhere below, and have an epic day. Thanks. Bye.
Take care. Bye.